Assalamualaikum. Salam. Tak apa. Emergency, okey. Emergency dia ada kunci belakang ni kena congkel. Okey. Dia ada kunci manual. Sini duduk. Saya nak explain sikit. Okay, insurans polisi bila beli dengan Cherry, dia ada Cherry package. Saya nak tanya puan dua soalan je.
Yeah.
Yang pertama, kenapa Cherry Omoda?
Sebab dia nampak sporty.
Okay.
Just to add on lah.
Yeah.
In terms of safety, if I compare with local car, sorry to say, there are more safety features lah.
Okay.
Compared to other car brand.
Okay.
So that is why we decided to try our first ever car after 15 years. Cherry Omoda. Okay,
that's something to look at lah.
Yeah.
Okay, and the second one and the last question, kenapa beli dengan Cherry Ammar?
Okay, saya jumpa Ammar ni sebab masa Ammar tengah buat live dekat TikTok. Okay. Actually saya datang sini untuk test drive je.
Okay.
Dan because of cara Ammar present, cara Ammar brief, knowledge Ammar pasal car, lagi-lagi Omoda 5H ni membuatkan kami ni bersetuju untuk beli Omoda 5H ni.
Alright. Okay. Thank you so much puan abang ni. Thank you so much.